Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today, we're comparing two highly similar models, the Miheki portable washing machine and the Shingulist portable washing machine. Both machines boast a 13L capacity and 3 modes for deep cleaning, making them perfect for delicate laundry like baby clothes and underwear. We'll dive into their features, performance, and pricing to see which one stands out as the best option for your laundry needs. The Miheki portable washing machine is fully automatic, featuring modern touch controls that simplify the washing process. In contrast, the Shingulist model is semi-automatic, requiring manual intervention between washing and draining cycles. This key difference means that while the Miheki offers convenience, the Shingulist allows for more control over the washing process. When it comes to pricing, the Shingulist portable washing machine is the more budget-friendly option at $59, while the Miheki is priced at $69. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a cost-effective solution for your laundry needs. A notable feature of the Shingulist model is its blue light deep cleaning system, which enhances hygiene, particularly for baby clothes and delicate items. The Miheki does not highlight any special sanitation features, focusing instead on its fully automatic operation. This could be a deciding factor for those prioritizing cleanliness and sanitation in their laundry. In conclusion, both the Miheki and Shingulist portable washing machines offer great features for their price points. The Miheki excels in automation and ease of use, while the Shingulist provides a more budget-friendly option with added sanitation features. Depending on your laundry needs and preferences, either could be a great addition to your home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.